Here's the air conditioner unit. There's the line going up. The refrigerant lines, suction line, liquid line, go up into the attic. They make it look like a downspout. That's nice. But there's the air conditioner. So it was installed after the house was built. Shut off switch. It's a Kenmore. And I wanted to show you a cool thing. Somebody asked me, how do I age a unit? And I'm not sure if you know this one. There's a little trick. Go to www.buildingcenter.org. Buildingcenter.org. And you click this button for HVAC equipment. They have one for heaters as well. And you look up the manufacturer, and this one is Kenmore. And let's go back to the image. So here's my serial number for the unit, L970627870. And it's this style for Kenmore. I have my L, right? It's not an H or the other ones. So right here it tells you if it's this style, then the first 2 years, first two numbers is the year, and the second two is the week. So over here, the serial number on the air conditioner of the Kenmore on the property I'm inspecting was manufactured in 1997. So that's an easy way to age the unit if you're interested in doing that. You're not required to.